everyone, this is Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com, and we're here at the Enermax booth at CeBIT 2012, and we're actually looking at cases at the moment. So what we've got here is the Hotlight GT. We've already looked at the Hotlight, but this is a slightly different case. They've changed a few things on there. So we've got two fans at the front on the door. All the panels come out, so we can actually take this out, and there is areas for SSDs on here as well. A few other little main features, obviously USB 3.0 technology on the top. You've got a hot dock bay on there as well. You can also control the fan speed from here, and various different fans front and back. And it's also got this panel up there, so if you are gaming you can move it up and down to obviously get you the best airflow when gaming. They've actually got the EVGA SR2 in here at the moment, which is obviously a very large motherboard, HTPX form factor. And it manages to fit in absolutely fine. They've got the Enermax down the bottom, and you can see all of the various different features. So hopefully we'll get a review on this very soon. Need to speak to Enermax and see when we can get a sample. But from a first glance, it's looking very, very nice. Now, moving around, we can actually go around to the other side of the Enermax booth, where they've got some more cases on show, and a couple of them quite new. So we've got a couple of features over here. This is one of their USB fans, actually, the UR Vegas 12cm, which obviously you can put onto the side of a case, absolutely fine. But over here they've got the Full Mode GT, which we've already reviewed. I think that it's a great chassis, a lot cheaper than some of the competitor cases such as the Cosmos 2. Obviously it depends on what you prefer. You've got lots of room for external water cooling tubing, and lots of expansion slots as well. You can choose whether you have the power supply at the bottom or at the top. And as you can see, they've got a Perspex side on it, just so they can sort of show to you exactly how much room's in there. And they've got 4 NVIDIA graphics cards in there at the moment, and some really nice fans. There's room for 360mm rad at the top, and also you've got room on the side of the drive cages, which, as you can see, there is a lot of drive cages there. Now, one of the newest cases that they've actually got is the Ostrog, which we're told is a Russian name, and not quite sure about this one yet, because it's not. It doesn't look like it's fully finished yet. It should be coming in black, but this looks very, very grey at the moment. But it's got good functionality: USB 3.0, headphone ports, USB 2.0, 4 optical drive bays down the front. Also space for a floppy drive or card reader if that's what you wanted to do. But straight away the front of it's looking really, really nice. It's just not too sure about the colour of the actual metal. I don't know how it's picking it up on the camcorder, but it looks very grey instead of a black. One nice thing though is the way that everything's orientated. So we've got all of our optical drive bays here, and we can come around to the drive cage that's actually below it, which, as you can see, is facing this way. But the next one down is facing that way, and then back around to that way again. And this whole cage can be removed, so if you've got a large graphics card, you can obviously fit it in, and it should be fine once you remove this cage. So this is Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com here at the Enermax booth, just looking at some of their chassis at the moment, and we'll have a lot more videos of their booth and exactly what's going on in terms of peripherals, power supplies, and of course what they're renowned for with their cooling.